I mean, lead a group, that's me. New experiences, that's me. Hardest start a new task, that's not me. Welcome to critique.
Want to say what you're doing?
So right now, what I'm doing, I'm filling out an application online, which is way different than I'm used to. I'm filling out an application for McDonald's right now. They pay $17 an hour. So I just was getting paid 25 cents an hour. So I'm just filling the application out, man. This is my first time filling out an application online. All right, wish me luck, man. Hopefully I can get this job. I got more to do. I got more to do as well. So, wish me luck. Always on the go. That's me.